Hey guys, what's up? It's Josh. Today I'm just going to show you guys some of the woods. Now I know you guys can't see my face. I'm sorry about that. The lighting in this thing is terrible. So I just want to kind of show you guys the creepy woods. I don't know if you guys can hear something, but there's actually a band kind of down the street. And there's actually little tracks that we made in the woods. They kind of lead, they lead down to the Legion. And down near there, they got a band that plays. So I don't know if you guys can hear the band at all. Yeah, this woods is really creepy, especially at night. Sorry if I'm stuttering or whatever. I'm not really good at. I'm not good at preparing for videos. Can you guys see me? I don't. It's creepy woods. If you hear weird noises from over on that side where I'm showing you guys, it's just because there's cars and stuff on the highway across. Yeah, like up there on top of the hill, we ride our mini bikes and stuff. We ride our mini bikes around here and stuff. There's an old 40, it looks like a 40s Plymouth down there in the woods. And even in the winter, we see snowmobiles up there on a hill. So a lot of stuff for this woods. And I even think a portion of it was owned by my old neighbors who have a farm. Yeah, I'm probably not going to tell you guys where I live because... Oh, shit!